Ever since Jesus passed away, everything gets so crazy, man.
What, bro? How the fuck did you get over there, man?
Weird, man.
Get over here, man. Jimmy's mom's so high.
Shut up, Carl.
Will you be my Valentine? Hey, Mrs. Neutron.
Hey, Mrs. Neutron.
What do you guys want to do today? Hang out with your mom.
Okay, with your mom. It's beautiful.
Mrs. Neutron, will you be my mommy?
God, it's Carl Wheezer's brother.
Hey, Mrs. Neutron.
Where the fuck are we going? This way?
Oh, right up. Oh my god.
Okay, follow me. Going back.
Okay.
Shut up.
I don't know, it's kind of dark in here, man.
Shake him. Stab him!
Stop!
Yes, are you going to finish that croissant?
Are you gonna finish that whistle?
Shut up. Laser pointer, where the fuck is that?
Jimmy, that wasn't really part of your bar mitzvah. Man, I can't grab this lamp. It's fucking glitched.
Glued to the fucking floor, that's why.
Jimmy, that was really haram of you. Hello?
Where?
Jimmy?
So that's the other piece of loot right in the corner there. I don't know if you missed it.
Hey, look at all that pie!
Through the door to your right. Through that door, right in the far corner, on your left there. Far corner. No.
You can't tell me far corner and then
Yeah,
tell
that
me it's on my left, because there's no far corner on my left. Okay, come on.
Okay.
We're gonna go to Planet Sheen.
Can we go to Planet Mrs. Neutron?
Shut the fuck up, no! We have other things to do. Can't go there.
Painting.
Fancy lamp. Combined with laser point. Did you pick the laser pointer up? Where the fuck is it? I keep seeing it. Oh, it's over here. Man. Oh yeah, this lamp is broken, huh? Oh, I got him. I got his little...
Hey, Mrs. Neutron.
Oh god. Oh god, come here, quick! Quick! Gotta get out of here. I'm gonna go up.
No, I'm gonna coop.
Out of the fucking doorway. Look at these fucking bastards. Oh my god. Get the fuck away from the goddamn ship.